Hi, this is Gail with BERNINA of Naperville, and guess what? It's March, and March is full of fantastic things. And some of you might say that March is like March Madness around here for sewists because BERNINA is having their annual 20% off sale. That's right. If it is a BERNINA, it is 20% off. And so there are also extra savings opportunities for you because we also have extra specials on the BERNINA 535 and the BERNINA 735s, as well as our demonstrator models of our CAFE Special Edition 770 Pluses. And we have one sad little B 475 CAFE edition that definitely wants to go home with you. But with that said, now this promotion is going to last through March 31st, but that doesn't mean that you get to sit around and wait until March 31st to come in, because you're going to want to test drive some machines. And we have some awesome make and take classes that I'm going to talk to you about in just a minute. But this really is the time to pick up your machine. Now, we are fully stocked now, but I can't promise that we will be by the end of March. So you know how the supply chain is, right? But there's also a financing special, and the financing special starts on March 10th through the 14th, and that is 60 months. That's 0% interest for 60 months. That means whatever you're financing, you divide by 60, and that's going to be your minimum monthly payment. Now, another thing I want you to know is if 60 months doesn't appeal to you at all month long, we are offering 48 months. So rest assured, there is something here for you if you need a BERNINA, boys and girls. Now, let's have a look at some of our make and take classes. Psst. So who wouldn't want to make a super cute little wall hanging like this? Now, this is part disappearing churn dash and part paper piecing, but we're not going to tell you where those bits are until you come in for our next totally awesome all-day event where you can play with our BERNINAs and make something awesome in the meantime. So coming up March 10th is our precision piecing workshop right here on our BERNINA 735. Now, the 735 is a unique machine because it is 10 inches to the right of the needle. It is does everything your awesome 770 Plus can do, except it is designed with narrow feed dogs for those tiny, tiny piecing situations. And you might really like that if you don't need to do the embellishment and wide decorative stitches that you could find. Now, you do not get dual feed on these, but if you come to this precision piecing class featuring this machine, our demonstrator machines, not only are they on sale for our 20% off sale, but they also come with a BERNINA stitch regulator, a walking foot, and a patchwork foot number 37. So you're going to want to check that out, right? Maybe it's a pop of color that you're really looking for, and backed by popular demand is our It's So CAFE bag making class, because this is your opportunity to try the new 770 QE CAFE Special Edition machine. Now, I want to warn you that we have very limited supply left, but most of ours are demonstrator machines. Now, they've only been used by us. They've never been open anywhere else. However, the cool thing about this is you get an extra special price. So come on in, take this class. If you take the class, you get the supplies to make this bag. We will definitely finish the bag within the time that the class is held for, and you'll get to play with some other things like that circular embroidery attachment. Well, just maybe you like to embellish, and this, you know what? We brought something back from the past here. This is the Aurora Sunrise wall hanging that our friend Marlis Bennett did many years ago when the Auroras came out, but we turned it into a bag, and in this class we're going to embellish this bag using all of those fun things on the BERNINA 880 Plus and the 790 Plus. So you're going to get everything that you need to make this. We're even going to have all of the wedges and everything pieced out. We're not going to make the bag, we're going to make a quilted wall hanging, but you could turn it into a bag with the instructions that we give you in class. So this is our embellishment day class, and that's coming up on April 22nd. So check that out if you're interested in doing something like this. We also got in the new Heather Bailey fabric, and this one is called Local Honey, and it's got awesome and cute little bees in it. You can see them here. And if you liked the True Kisses collection and you love the bright, vibrant colors that Heather puts together, you're gonna love this collection. And the new Dana Willard is here from Figo. Love this fall palette, love these colors. I can't wait to make something out of this. This collection is called Pickle Juice. I don't want to drink it, but I want to make something out of it. And don't forget, we are always properly stocked on Tula Pink, from Parisville to Moon Garden to Curiouser and Tiny Beasts. We got it all, plus the stripes, the polka dots, the patterns, the fabric bundles, all of it. So please come in and have a look at that. Oh yeah, we also have some pretty cool webbing, pom-poms, and trims. And I have a baby quilt to make soon, and I'm telling you right now, I'm going to be making it out of this Heather Ross fabric that I just think is the bee's knees. And this is called Lucky Rabbit. And we already made a super cute bag in our Bernina Club using one of the main fabrics here, these camping bunnies here. Yeah, I think you're gonna love this. So you're gonna have to make sure you stop in the store to see this, or check it out on our website, BERNINAofNaperville.com. Wait, did you say that you already had a Bernina and you want Bernina and Bernina of Naperville to offer you something? You're welcome. It's also 20% off presser feet. That's Bernette and Bernina presser feet, and that covers serger feet, that covers sewing machine feet. It's feet, because you know what? You love shoes, and your Bernina loves feet, and your Bernette, you know. And speaking of feet, we've got feet fabric. How cute would it be to make one of those Annie's project bags out of these to put your feet in? I just had a great idea. I don't know if I can make it fast enough because I am kind of slow these days, but come on, will you make it for me? Make it so I can live vicariously through you. All right, well, so that's what's happening here at Bernina of Naperville. And of course, we're always adding new classes. We're always having different events. And I hope you check us out online on our YouTube channel or in person, of course. We always love to see your smiling faces. So if you want to see some tutorials from us about serging, sewing, quilting, you name it, don't forget to check out our videos on our YouTube channel. It's easy to find. It's youtube.com/Bernina of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. Making gifts for me is optional.